I'm here at Rancho Texas Lanzarote and we're about to swim with the Sealions. So I'm going to take you with us. Let's go. For Alfie's birthday, we decided to go and swim with the Sealions at Rancho Texas. Now, in this video, you're going to see loads of fun. It was very educational as well, and you're also going to get to see what Mr TravelOn's face looks like when Mrs TravelOn gives him a kiss. So come on, let's go. When you book Swim with Sealions with travelon.world, well, you can book with a bus pickup or you can make your own way here. But the ticket does include entrance. You'll be met by the friendly staff and you'll head into the park. Now, we would have already allocated your time slot and all you need to do is meet the Sealion staff who will take you back to the special area where these amazing creatures live. It all gets very exciting from here. Once you get inside, you'll be given all the gear. Now, you can have a swimsuit, but when it's hot, you don't necessarily need one. All you need are these special shoes and you also get a life jacket as well. The staff are really friendly and they'll get you all sorted out, and there's lockers and places to put all your stuff so you're not going to have to worry. And then it's just a case of going out and meeting the Sealions. The things I do for you, I mean, look at the state of me, and I didn't really want to get in the water, but, well, with a little help from my friend Titan, who is the first Sealion we met, well, he gave me a proper push in, so there was no messing about. We were straight in, and then Titan decided that a good thing to do was to swim between Mr TravelOn's legs. He just about fit. So if some of your family are doing the swimming with Sealions but you're not, well, you can still get up close and personal. This is literally the view from where you watch the Sealion interaction. Children have to be over 7 years old and every child has to be accompanied with an adult in the water. So if you are thinking of taking your kids on this, well, you're gonna have to get in with them. If Mr TravelOn can do it, well, so can you. It's called Swimming with Sealions, and Titan didn't let us down, taking us for a little swim out and around the pool. Mr TravelOn gave out a little scream, of course, because you know me, I'm petrified of pretty much everything, but I tell you, it was so cool. With Titan jumping around and entertaining us, we really did feel like we were part of something absolutely magical, and you really do get up close and personal. Now, Titan said goodbye and it was time to meet the female, Fiona. Well, we're in trouble now, aren't we?
Oh shit, look at Fiona. Hello, Fiona. Oh, wait, you touch her.
This is where we learn all about the Sealions and some really interesting facts. The staff are just incredible.
Nice.
Look at the nails, okay? She has got nails just in the back paper, okay? And this is the tail. Is this super? Now I look at the teeth.
Oh yeah.
They have got black teeth because they've got a bacteria on their teeth, which is photosensitive, and with the sun becomes black and protect the teeth like a toothpaste.
Wow.
Yes. See?
Well, Fiona was definitely female because her special skill was pushing us around the pool. First off, she took Alfie on a tour around the pool by pushing with the feet. And then it was Mr TravelOn's turn. Well, you know me, I've got quite a bit of weight behind me, but, well, Fiona is very powerful and there was no problems at all. And again, with help from the amazing staff, you put your trust in their hands and off Fiona takes you around the pool for a little bit of an adventure. Throughout the whole event, they're taking photos and you get them emailed free of charge. And it was time to steal a quick kiss from Fiona. I think Mrs TravelOn certainly got jealous at this point, and look at my face. Again, families, groups, it's an ideal way to take home some magical memories of your journey and your trips here in Lanzarote. Rancho Texas is one, if not the best attraction on the island. There is so much to do and we're going to do a full video showing you everything around here. But it's goodbye from Fiona and the Sealions, and a massive thanks to the staff and crew at Rancho Texas. So how to book is really simple. Just visit our website travelon.world. If you select the menu and go down to attractions, well, you'll see all the Rancho Texas products. You can get entrance only. You can even swim with dolphins. But This one is all about swimming with sea lions. Select the sea lions, press book now. All you have to do is select the date that you want to go. Now you can select adults and children. Remember, children need to be with an adult, and if you book the interaction, well, it comes with entrance, but there might be people in your party that only want entrance, so you can just add them and they can just come along and watch with you. If you want a bus pickup, select yes, go to next and put in all your details. Now, if you have got a Mr TravelON cheeky discount code, pop it in here, and all you need to do is check out and your booking will be sent to you with your time slot, and the rest is just about you enjoying yourself. And we certainly did. Check out the photos that we got sent from the swim with dolphins at Rancho